What's going on, guys? My name is Aaron and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is my 2001 NB2 Miata, and it is currently on jack stands because it always needs something done to it. It's been a journey with this car, but real short video today. My buddy back home made me a custom aluminum shift knob in his machine class, and I just picked it up at the mailbox right now, like 5 minutes ago. This thing is super sweet. Look how polished that is. And it's got ribs for pleasure right there. Sheesh. Yeah, we're gonna throw this on there and see how it looks. I'm freaking hyped. It's also weighted. It's from my Subaru STI that I had a few years back, and so it was kind of like paying homage to it. And it came with adapters for different thread sizes. That's been my current one for the time being, but let's test this one out. He drilled the correct thread size, so I don't even need an adapter. We can just throw it on there. So I'm not gonna sit in the car because of it being on jack stands, but I'm just gonna lean over and do it. Spin this guy off. And actually the adapter that came with it is still inside the shift knob, which is kind of inconvenient, to be honest. Hopefully I don't need any other thread pitch from this point on, because that's probably never coming out. The one that he made me, it's got this really deep recess on here because look how long this is. And then even then, the top of the shift boot, I want that to be inside of here. So I sent him some rough measurements and it looks like he nailed it. But let's test this out. I'm gonna cross thread it, Nature's Loctite. Oh, let's spin that on there. Get it all nice and tight. No, it doesn't come off. Dude, look at that. This is sweet. Make sure the e-brake is locked. This is crazy, dude. Look how nice that looks. Oh man, dude, this is freaking sick. It's nice and tall now because the little shift ball that I had only came up to about here. And it just looked awkward with the giant pillar underneath it and all the threads exposed and the top of the boot showing. So this looks so much nicer, guys. Aluminum, polished, homemade. He literally only charged me the shipping. What a G. And with that, guys, that's really it for today's video. Just a quick recap. Money's been tight, so I haven't been filming as much lately. I do have some stuff coming up, so don't unsubscribe. Stick around. I do continue to put out content. I just had to slow down a little bit so I could save up some money. But I'm super sweaty right now. I just got off of work and it's very hot today. It was 97, so it sucks. I'm gonna go upstairs and shower, but with that, guys, like, subscribe, you know what to do, and I will see you guys in the next video. Drink water and be safe.